When you build a website in an hour, there are, of course, plenty of things you won't have time to get to. If the basic idea behind building a website in 1 hour is to get something going, that's a great idea. But if you do anything that's even a little bit unstandard before you understand the basics, you'll be creating a problem. One of the steps that the Build a Website in an Hour video covers is the idea of reordering your menus. And it's your website, of course, you might want to do that, but it's explained the wrong way. In WordPress, you can create what are called custom menus. It's a great feature, and as you can see here, we use it at Answer Guy Central. You get to the feature by moving through Appearance and then Menus, using the page you find there to set up your custom menus, and then telling WordPress that it should look at the custom menus instead of the standard ones. Whew! Here's the problem with making that part of building a website in 1 hour. WordPress has a standard set of menus. It gets built automatically when you add pages. Now look at this, and you'll see me adding a page to a WordPress site that had only one until I doubled that. To be honest, this is clumsy. Rearranging these takes too much coding, or that you add extra plugin software to WordPress to manage which of your pages display and the order they show up in. But it's also the simplest core function of WordPress, and to start out telling you to ignore it is going to leave you in a pretty bad place if you ever need to understand how the WordPress content management system manages content. And you will. Even if you never change your menus, other things you add to WordPress later are almost guaranteed to make this issue matter. And if you need to go hunting later and first learn how to unravel something you've already made complicated, well, you will not enjoy that. Sure, you can build a website in an hour, as long as you never need to touch it again. Now, I'm sorry, that's the wrong approach, especially if you're trying to build influency. And you are.